I'm looking to seek, attorneys for the situation. So I did a corporate lease application with a company that I know I'm qualified for. That my company is qualified for. So put the application in. They said, hey, your company's not qualified for XYZ and the third. Gave me the list of things. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm a consultant when it comes to business credit and becoming to have your business to be established or whatever the case is to get approvals. So I'm like, anything they give me, I'm just going to use for fuel. So I'm like, all right, cool. So they told me a list of things that the reason I didn't get approved. So I went ahead and, did that, made sure I was in those, ramifications of, or in that field of, what would be to be approved. So I went ahead and did that. Then I came again, they gave me another list of things on why I wasn't approved. I went ahead and provided that information. You know what I'm saying? So I went in and continued to go to the point where I got to the point where they send me an email saying, you can't apply for any more corporate housing applications, XYZ and the third. And then they listed off the companies that I use because originally they told me my company wasn't, in standing enough to get approved. Like they said it didn't establish enough years. So
And you're applying for like a corporate housing, like for a with a business to offer corporate housing to them?
yeah, let's just say this is a complex right here that has 120 units in
Yes.
it. And I put a corporate application in for it with my company. And they tell me that I'm not approved because I haven't been established for 5 years.
Okay.
I said, okay, no problem. I'll apply with my, the father company of this company, which has been established for longer than 5 years. So then I put that application in. Then they give me these other list of things as far as trade lines reporting. I know what trade lines are reporting, so I reached out to the business credit bureaus that I know have these trade lines reporting, and I requested for the data back from them, and I provided it to the company that told me they wasn't able to see them. So I provided this information, and then they got to the point where they had an attorney reach out to me and said, hey, you can't apply, this company can't apply, and this company can't apply for housing any longer.
Okay.
And they stated because of your short-term practices, which I don't offer short-term renting.
Okay.
I only do midterm, so it's 30 days or more, which
So
is
what's